Hi there, I'm Marissa Jenkins, and today we're going to be talking about our fundraising guide on playgroundequipment.com. There are lots of ways to raise money for a playground. However, you have to consider different community dynamics to determine which campaigns will work best. It might take some trial and error to figure out what will work in your area, but fundraising doesn't need to be one and done. It might be necessary to run a few different fundraisers to get the money to complete your project. There are many different types of fundraisers, including newsletter subscriptions, car washes, auctions, marathons, music performances, and galas. There are 4 main parts to setting up a fundraiser, including budget. These are the funds that will be used for planning the event, buying materials, and reserving any spaces. This may be based on what has been gathered by the committee or based on funds already available to you. Choosing your fundraiser. This should be a consensus among your committee and community, as they will be the ones who will be helping. At this point, you should start planning potential locations, dates, and avenues of planning. Goals. Having clear set goals in the beginning allows you to adequately plan towards those goals. Examples of goals include the amount of money you'd like to raise and the amount of people you'd like to reach or come to your event. Making connections. To reach these people, you can visit in person, talk to them on the phone, or draft letters of inquiry to send out. These can be business owners, employers, banks, etc. This is also a good time to present your fundraiser to your community to begin gathering resources and volunteers. For more information about how to run your own fundraiser, be sure to visit our website. I'm Marissa Jenkins with playgroundequipment.com. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.